Hi, everyone. It's an honor to be here representing Refinitiv, now part of the London Stock Exchange Group, at the CFA Research Challenge Finals. Everybody who participated gained invaluable experience making solid investment decisions, questioning the status quo, and building expertise that will be useful in their financial service careers. Refinitiv is proud to contribute the data and analytics tools that have helped the finalists make it through the challenge. Several years ago, The Economist said that when it comes to data, the debate about quantity versus quality is less important than the fact that the sheer quantity of data is a quality in and of itself. Virtually everything people and companies do on a daily basis generates data. After aggregating it, companies seek to gain insight from it, a process that increasingly depends on new technologies. Some industrial companies now even consider themselves data firms because of the information their farm equipment, jet engines, or automobiles generate. When you enter the financial services profession, you will be tasked with finding ways to leverage this vast amount of data in a manner that benefits your clients. A number of important trends will play a role in your future investing careers. One of them is sustainable investing, also known as ESG investing. Environmental, social, and corporate governance metrics are changing how asset managers invest, and our clients are increasingly focused on ESG strategies as they look to the future. Our ESG database, gathered from thousands of global companies, provides a window into how companies are addressing these big topics. The data provides a window into a company, providing these opportunities for change. I want to briefly address one aspect of ESG that is finally getting the attention it deserves: diversity and inclusion, which is part of the S pillar in ESG. A McKinsey report found that the top quartile for ethnic and cultural diversity on their executive teams were 33% more likely to have industry-leading profitability, a statistic that's well proven at this point. Maintaining diversity and inclusion efforts during the pandemic hasn't been easy, but is especially important right now for companies seeking to keep female employees working. Women are leaving the workforce in the US at a much greater rate than men, an alarming trend driven not just by the economic downturn, but by its outsized impact on women. Data show that supporting staff during good and challenging times is more likely to foster loyalty, boost the retention of valuable workers at all levels, and improve performance. ESG is just one trend that you will face in your career. Others, such as cloud computing, AI, machine learning, are others that will increasingly play a role for you. Refinitiv is developing innovative solutions to help you take advantage of these technologies to understand data better and faster. While these trends will make it easier for the future financial services professionals to understand data, it won't replace the human insight that you can provide. The work you have completed to reach the finals of the CFA Research Challenge has helped you develop hands-on expertise with the intersection of data and insight that will benefit your career paths. You have immense responsibility as the future financial professionals to not only make good investment decisions, but to influence our economy and society with your choices. As the future stewards of finance, you must be unafraid to think differently, challenge traditional models of thinking, and do better than your predecessors. Having reached the finals of the CFA Research Challenge, it's clear that you're off to a great start. Thank you and best of luck from your friends at Refinitiv and the London Stock Exchange Group.